बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड। आज के इस लेसन में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी चंद ऐसे इंग्लिश के फ़िक्रात जो हम डेली यूज़ करते हैं। इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस यूज इन डेली लाइफ। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देख के जाइएगा और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको हमारी मज़ीद वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बिलीव मी, इट्स ओके, कॉल मी बैक, call me back. It really takes time. It really takes time. As soon as possible. It's for he best. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. No, I don't want. I do not understand. See you. I do not mean it. I do not mean it. See you next time. How much is it? So I do. How old are you? How old are you? I decline. How was your weekend? What's your email address? What did you say? What do you need? What is your job? What do you think? What's your name? What do you want to do? What's your phone number? What do you want? What's the weather like? What is going on? Where are you? When is the train leaving? Is all good? How can I go to the town center? Is everything okay? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you from? Where are you from? Absolutely not. I just made it. I have no idea. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. I agree. Follow me. I'm at home. God bless you. It's on the tip of my tongue. It on the tip of my tongue. It's very toughful of you. It's very toughful of you. तो ये था फ्रेंड आज का हमारा लेसन। वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।